It's a true 4x4 SUV. It's a fantastic cruiser, but on the off-road trails as well, MG Gloster does shine.
It's phenomenally capable off-road. The Gloster performed flawlessly, and I think for its size, for the luxury that it offers, it's a fantastic vehicle which is very capable and can also be taken off-road without any worries.
It can make any average driver look like an expert on off-road conditions. That is how easy it is to manage or drive the Gloster even on some of the tough parts on an off-road terrain.
I must say that I am totally convinced that this vehicle is amazing and extremely capable. So the experience, I must say, brilliant.
आफ्टर बीइंग एन प्रीमियम एसयूवी, इसमें एक ऑफ-रोडिंग एलिमेंट वाला सरप्राइज भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा MG की नई ग्लॉस्टर में।
Besides that, the vehicle, getting to know it, going on it on our off-roading, trying out the different features was quite, I would say, exhilarating. As I was telling others, a bit scary, but also very, very exciting.
अलग अलग मोड्स पे आप कंफर्टेबली और फुल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप ड्राइव पे निकल सकते हैं। आपको कहीं पे भी ये डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मैं कहीं पे फंस जाऊंगा या अटक जाऊंगा।
ये इंडिया वाली कार है, वो इसलिए क्योंकि इसके डिफरेंट मोड्स, अगर आप किसी भी सड़क पे जाओ ये बहुत स्मूथली आपको ड्राइव करती है। मैंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस इस पे मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं थे जब मैं इस पे थी एक्सपीरियंस कर रही थी।
वो फीचर्स तो बहुत सारे अच्छे हैं, लेकिन उनका कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो ये ना सिर्फ एक प्रीमियम दिखने वाली एसयूवी आपको लग रही है, बल्कि मुझे लगता है कि ये एक काबिल ऑफ रोडर बन के उभरेगी।
ऑफ रोडिंग पर ये गाड़ी काफ़ी कमाल की है। इसमें कई सारे ऐसे फीचर्स हैं जो आपको ऑफ रोड के पर जब ड्राइव करते हैं तो उसको काफ़ी बेहतर बनाते हैं। इसके अलावा अगर आप इस तरह की हैवी और मस्कुलर एसयूवी को खरीदने का मन बना रहे हैं तो मेरे हिसाब से ये जो गाड़ी है ये काफ़ी उपयोगी साबित हो सकती है।
Things like hill assist or the descent and the balance of the torque really fascinated me. I was a bit nervous at a few instances, but I think the car managed it all.
The different technological advancements like the traction control, the hill descent, the hill ascent control, everything works. It was eye-opening and it was enlightening.
Quite luxurious. It has lots of tech features. I took a small demo of the park assist feature as well. So overall, a very impressive vehicle, I think.
We got to understand कि 500 mm की water depth में Gloster ने कैसा किया, and it proved quite well.
I was not expecting the Gloster being a heavy and a long vehicle to perform so well off the road. The kind of features it packs in gives the driver a lot of confidence off the road.
हर जगह ऐसा लगता है कि अगर रास्ता नहीं भी है तो आप ग्लॉस्टर के जरिए आप खुद अपना एक नया रास्ता बना सकते हैं।
This is an ideal SUV and I think for true blue off-road enthusiasts this is the perfect vehicle.
It's a fabulous car for the segment also, with all the nannies that it has got and everything, the diff lock and the auto hold function. That's really a boon for us, especially for the noob who are trying it for the first time.
It's a premium luxury SUV. Would you even dare to take it on tracks that they did? It was really impressive. I'm really impressed. Definitely I would like to try it on my own, but for now it was impressive and really loved the experience.